Hello, everybody. I am so excited to be joining you today and so excited to show you my face just now. That was really embarrassing. I just got a brand new computer literally yesterday and realized that I had not yet set up the permissioning. So right as the countdown started, StreamYard, our streaming platform, started yelling at me to make sure that I could share my screen with you. So the show must go on, though. I am so excited to be joining you this weekend live for the Thehacktrical closing ceremonies and demos. My name is Nick Quinlan. I am the Chief Operating Officer of Major League Hacking, and I am just so excited to be here, be your theater critic, your theater tour guide, your playbill as we go through this Thehacktrical closing ceremony. Now, for those of you joining us for the first time, This is the closing ceremony for a hackathon that's been happening over the last 36 to 40-ish hours. Over the course of this weekend, our participants have been building incredible creations that we're going to share with you right now. Now, behind the scenes, too, we have judges going through and watching a lot more of these demos than you're going to see right now and choosing who our prize winners are going to be. Some of the absolute top hacks this weekend will be demoed here and also announced on this live stream in just a little while. I'm going to be keeping an eye on the Discord chat as well as the Twitch chat, YouTube chat, whatever platform you're on, and we'll be responding. So please make sure that you are commenting wherever you're watching this from. If you're in Discord right now and a participant of this event and want to see your hack on stream, all you need to do is go to the Demo My Hack channel and put in your a link to your hack, and I'll take a look at it on stream perhaps. Even better still, if you want to talk about your hack, come to the joining of the stream channel and just leave a comment there, maybe with your hack or some details, and we might give you an invite to join us here on the stream and talk a little bit more about your hack. So that's what's in store here. I am just so chuffed to be bringing you all of these incredible hacks that we've seen this weekend. So with that, without further ado, what I'd love to do is share with you one of those hacks that was shared in that Discord as mentioned. So I'm going to share with you this one right here. It's called Playwright Paladin, and you can see the video right now.
With self-control and most writers have problems with self-control and productivity. For example, the urge to edit your writing to get the perfect story can be very strong. This can cause many writers to start editing way too early in the process, and their writing productivity decreases. This problem has never been solved completely, and even the articles we research just gave us the solution of just have more self-control. A lack of self control can also cause even the best writers to lose focus and get distracted by the internet. Luckily, we've created Playwright Paladin, your productivity guardian. Playwright Paladin helps control the premature urge to keep editing through his website. Users can log in and register using a passwordless authentication system thanks to Twilio's amazing API. Users start writing like normal, however, every time they start a new paragraph, the text above gets locked, disabling them from editing it. Finally, when the user is finished writing, they can switch to editing mode to edit their entire text. Playwright Paladin also saves users' data and writing in his database, hosted with Linod's easy to use platform. This entire system helps solve our problem of editing. However, Playwright Paladin also solves the problem of distractions through his Chrome extension. The Playwright Paladin Chrome extension blocks those time wasting websites to help all writers stay on track and become extremely productive.
Very cool. You can tell I don't do this a ton. That was so incredibly cool. And would you believe it? We have Vic on Twitch chat right now. So go ahead, ask Vic some questions on chat about their hack. All right, moving on to another wonderful theater hack. I'm going to bring you another hack all about theater here. And this one, similarly, is about scripts. We're going to bring up Script Hub now. And it's all about screenplay writing. So if you're a writer this weekend, this is going to be the weekend for you.
Hello everyone and welcome to the demo video of our project Script Hub. As you can see, this is the landing page that we built, which talks about why we built Script Hub. And it also has options to self-host the code and to view the demo video of this project. Now, this is built using HTML, CSS, and Tailwind. It's pretty simple and it's hosted on Firebase. Now let's talk about the main project itself. Here you can see our application open in two browser windows where two hypothetical users are writing a script at the same time. Now, whenever a user enters a word and hits the space bar, the word is instantly visible in the other screen. We achieve this real-time collaboration in Script Hub using Twilio's sync service, which provides millisecond level state synchronization. The feature that is being demoed right now is a result of clicking on the export script button, which generates a printable version of the script in PDF format that you can share with your fellow script writers or artists. When you click on the Edit in Rich Text Format button, your script gets transformed into this environment, which has a toolbar where you can apply different styles to your text. You can make it bold, italicized, underline, you could strike off some text, you could add images and tables to your script, and you could also change the font sizes, the fonts, the font styles. So basically everything that an editor wants in a dedicated collaborative script writing environment. You could also revert back to the regular text format by clicking on the button below. So for a quick walkthrough of our code, all of it is available in a GitHub repository. And this is the code to the landing page itself. It is built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind, and hosted on Firebase, as you can see. So it's forked from my teammate's repository, which is also public. And this is the code to the actual app. We used Express, Node, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Twilio for the app.
That's awesome. Look at that. So now if you're a writer, you can first write your first drafts of your script, making sure that you don't go back and edit too early. But once it's time to edit, you can go collaborate on your script. Wow, holy cow. This is so cool, folks. I cannot wait to share with you a few more hacks. So I was noticing we have a number of hacks that are much more around collaborating with your friends. And experiencing theater and movies and television. So I wanted to share a couple of those with you right now. So I'll do that. But one thing that I would love to have happen as well is have some more people on stream. Like, I think I'm pretty great, but I would love to hear from you. So if you want to join this stream and tell me a little bit about the hack that you built this weekend, could you just go ahead and go into our Discord and join the Stream Discord channel? And there I might be able to bring you onto this stream right now. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and share my next hack. This hack is all about making it's a Discord bot, so it's very, very relevant. Oh, I'm sorry. I told you it was a Discord bot, and I'm going to show you the Discord bot instead. Here we go. Discord bot. Boom. There we go. This Discord bot is all about movies and TV. Let's see it.
This is Sakesh. Hello, this is Sakesh.
And Irish.
And this is the video submission for Layman bot for the Thehacktrical. Layman means a person without a profession or a specialized knowledge in a particular subject. It could also be used to refer to actors in medieval France. The bot specializes in helping find movies and TV series.
First, let's start with inviting the bot. To invite the bot, just head over to the website and click invite. Invite him to your server to invite the bot. First, select the server and give him the required permissions. To get the list of commands, just use the help me command. It shows all commands that can be used. So let's go through them.
Use !mark trending to get to know which movies are currently trending. Use exclamation mark discover with the type of content you want to search with, movie or TV, and then genre with sort by. You could sort by popularity, release date, revenue, title, or rating, and also specify whether you want to see it in ascending or descending order. Example, use exclamation discover TV, comedy, popularity, and sort by descending to see the top to see comedy movies sorted by popularity. You could click on the right arrow to see more, or you could either click on number shown besides the series name to see more details. You could also use exclamation mark search and the movie name you want to search for and see a list of movies with a title. We plan on adding more commands in the future, maybe even learn AI and make layman a bit more smart and teach him how to speak in medieval English.
That's so cool. I love that Discord bot. And I love Discord bots as a whole because we're spending so much of our time on Discord these days. I mean, just in this hackathon, y'all spent like, gosh, more than 2 days on Discord. So it's really cool to see us bringing things that we could use into the platform that we're using. So I love that. Let's go ahead and take another a look at another hack. This one, I think that it's just great. I can't wait to share it with you. So let me bring that forward as well. Let's do it right here. Oh, that's so strange. Oh no, it is working. No, it's not. I'm sorry, friends. You probably couldn't hear that. Where did that go? Binge time. There we go. Now you can hear it. Let's redo that. What? That's so good. I have binge watched so many shows during the pandemic, and so I would use that so much to figure out when and how I'm going to watch all of the TV shows. And now, if I wanted to watch those, perhaps let's say with my friends, we have a hack that does exactly that. And lets you spend time sharing videos with your friends or sharing watching videos with your friends. So let's
What
take a
comes
look
to
at
your
that.
mind when you think of drama, videos, theater? For me, it's friends. But due to the pandemic, it is unsafe and not feasible to go out and watch movies or videos with friends. And that is why this weekend, me and my team decided to build an online synchronous video watching platform so that you and your friends can watch the same YouTube videos staying at your homes and that too safely. So let's check the demo out. So in this, we can see that I have opened two browser windows with the help of Linode. So we are using Linode to host our code. Now, when I enter my name in one of the windows, and we can create a custom room or use the default room name. And then I enter another room and use the same room name. Now we both are in the same room. And now if I enter the YouTube video URL, it is going to play for both the videos. And I can pause it. Both of us are able to pause it and we can play it. And when we and pause the videos, it was going to play and pause for both the windows. So through this platform, you can enjoy with your friends, watch series, watch YouTube web films and documentaries, all online and together with your friends without going out. So that is all for this weekend. Thank you so much.
That's excellent. I love that, and I know that I did a fair deal of that during the pandemic, or during the strongest parts of the pandemic restrictions. So let's take a look at something that would allow you to maybe pick which thing you were going to watch with your friends. I'm going to share that now. This is called Watch It.
Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh and today I'll show you the project which I made for Hacktrical 2022. As we all know, the theme for this weekend is theater, so I went for something related around it. So talking about my project, first thing which I want to highlight is that the domain name of the website which was registered by me via the free GoDaddy registry that English provided, we were asked to go for a creative domain name. So here it is, watchit.study, as you can see on my screen, which signifies that we must watch movies and all, but also we should not neglect our studies. Haha. Jokes apart. Now, what is Watch It? Watch It is a dynamic web portal to share your favorite movie or TV show recommendations with your friends. Now, how will you do it? I will show you via a live demonstration right now. So as soon as I click on the dashboard button here, the main search page will come here. So as soon as I search something like now I'll search Titanic. Yeah, so the results are dynamically fetched from the API here, as you can see, on the basis of what I type. So thumbnails are here. Thumbnails include basic information like title and rating and a poster. When I click on this, advanced information like another image, rating, and some other information, including a basic plot is here. Also, the genre of the show is given here. So as soon as I click on this recommend button, which you see here, it will ask me who I am. So basically, if you don't see yourself here, you can register right away in the data in my database. But as I can see myself here, these are my friends David Rose and Andrew Parker, but I'll click on myself and the recommendations are posted to the database. So the recommendation is posted and I can see all the recommendations posted by me and my friends. If I click on the recommendations here in the nav bar, so here are all the recommendations. So this is the one which we pushed just right now. It gives some basic information here about the movie, and here the image and the name of the guy who posted it. So this is me, Kaustubh Uttarwar, and here you can see all the past recommendation posted by me and my friends like David Rose and Andrew Parker here. So this is the portal where all the friends together sees all the recommendations and enjoy basically. So apart from this, here I have linked the API info and my GitHub. This was about the live demonstration. Now talking about the API and the database which I have used, I'll let you know about that. Uh, the API that I've used is the TMDB API. TMDB is a famous movie API out there. You can search about it. I have used it. And talking about the database which I have used, I'll show you right now. This is the console of my database. It's called Cloud Firestore. The product is called Cloud Firestore, and here are my documents, the users, which keeps track of all the users like Kaustubh Uttarwar, Andrew Parker, and David Rose, as you can see here. And apart from this, these are all the recommendations stored in my database. Yeah. So this was about the database and the API. So now I will share some of my JavaScript code to you, which runs all of my project. So this function here fetches the API and displays the movie or TV show results. As you can see, there are more alike functions here. And this is my database function here, the users database, and here's the function which pushes the recommendation in the database. So that was all about my project, which I have submitted this Hacktrial. Thank you so much. Also, do check out the live demonstration of this project, which I have hosted on the internet. You can check out the link in the dev to submission. I'll paste it right there. Thank you.
That caught me by surprise. That last little bit, so it was an encore of the hack. I have one final theater-based hack for you, and then we have some general-purpose hacks as well. But in between that transition, I'm also going to bring some folks on the stream. So first, let's start with that theater-based hack. I want to show you part of the metaverse, I guess. It's something called Steal the Show. And this is a futuristic hack to bring all your friends together. So let's take a look.
Hello everyone, welcome to Steal the Show. You can see that we have entered the theater now and we can select the seats here. So you could select any of the seat and see how the screen will look to you. That's great, right? So this is the preview of the theater. And you can also see the theater in 180 degrees so that you could explore and look around it. Now that you have explored the theater, let's go and get some snacks in the cafe. And this is a VR cafe. So you could, if you have any VR headsets, you could have it on, put it on, and then you could select the VR option there, and you could see and explore the cafe all around. I'm sure you'll like the snacks there. Now, let's see how the future looks for a theater. As you know, technology has improved a lot, and this theater we could see in near after 10 years maybe. So, this is a VR theater again, and you could see there is a hologram there. So, in future, everything will be holographic, so it will be really techy and amazing.
Really techy and amazing is absolutely how I describe that. Gosh, I can't wait to be watching movies in my own VR theater. That was so cool. So now I wanted to bring on some folks who made projects this weekend, and I am so excited to share that I have Vikram here with me. Vikram, you may remember, built Playwright Paladin. This was that hack that allowed writers to get a little bit out of their own heads and be able to very quickly and easily compose a play in a scene and making sure that you couldn't edit it. So I have Vikram here to talk to me a little bit about it. Vikram, welcome to the stream. It's so exciting to have you.
Oh, Sam, it's exciting to be here.
Well, thank you. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? Are you in school? Where do you go to school?
I am in school. I'm in high school right now, senior finally. And then, I have my friend who helped me build this hack. I think he just joined.
Yeah, let's add him.
Sure.
Hey there.
Sure, hello.
Hi, how's it going?
It's been a lot of pain. I'm trying to. It's really well.
Well, I'm so excited to have you both here.
That was
uh,
weird.
yeah, it was that was my fault. What inspired you to build this hack?
Okay, well, I guess I'll answer that. I don't know. I just sort of started writing like a couple of months ago, and I mean, I would always like strive for perfection, even though like perfect in writing pretty much doesn't exist. And then I mean, I would keep on going up to edit, and every time I would just like try to write, I would just end up editing more than actually writing. So then I just thought, wait, what if I just prevent myself from editing? And then that's how Playwright Paladin came about.
That's awesome. And I saw you both used a ton of technologies here. You have a website with a backend. You have a Chrome extension. Who worked on what?
Oh yeah, so the technology that was like pure Drummond. Like he was just like, I don't know how he managed to like put so much stuff together randomly. Like and this was all done in like 24 hours, like majority of it. Because I just woke up in the morning and like last night we had pretty much like almost given up on our hack, and I just got this sudden burst of inspiration, and I was like, no, we have to do this. And then I told him, okay, fine, so maybe we can just do like a simpler version, and somehow we managed to create like a full stack web app and add some stuff to the Chrome extension as well, all in like one day.
Wow, that's so impressive.
He gives me too much credit. It's not really that much work. I mean, like he had the entire idea laid out, so it was just adding the functionality.
I mean, both of you, impressive idea, impressive functionality. That's so cool. And I'm so excited to hear that you were able to do that in 24 hours. That's wild and one of my favorite parts of the hackathon. Do you have any advice? I know that we had a lot of people commenting in Discord this weekend being like, oh my goodness, 36 hours. That's not enough time to do anything. Do you have any advice for people about how to be able to build an app, a Chrome extension so quickly?
That I'm gonna give to
Honestly,
Drummond, I guess.
honestly, it's just like limit your ideas and focus on what needs to be done first. Like even right now, even in the deploy version, we don't our Twilio system isn't working properly, but at least we got the core functionality done, and I think that's what matters more.
And it is working locally. It's just not working on like the
Yeah.
like other thing.
Yeah, you know, at the hackathon, I think as long as you can get the demo working immediately, show what it is, I think that's really what matters. And clearly, you both did that. So that's awesome. Thank you so much.
Actually, oh sorry.
No, go for it.
I just remember this thing. I mean, there's Ashwin, right? I mean, he's a big.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure everyone knows Ashwin in the MLH community. He's a
Yeah.
mentor and judge, I think now. Yeah, I remember he first told me this, where he was like, don't go straight from like a skateboard to like a supercar, like gradually go up. So like, you know, maybe you start with like rollerblades and then go to a skateboard and make a bicycle and then a motorbike and then finally go up to a car. So like, you know, I think you should sequentially build your project, so that even like if at any point you have to stop and focus on the submission, you can do that and still have something to present.
Yeah, no, that's such good advice. I think that is such a concrete thing that people can be doing. I think, you know, I think of this graphic
Yeah.
all the time. It sucks to be trying to build your car and taking all these steps and then get to the end of the hackathon and be at step 5 or something. It's 3 on the car on the top one and be like, oh, I couldn't do anything. Like it didn't work. But if you have at least a little bit of functionality each time, even if you get to the end and it's not exactly where you wanted it, it's still a really great demo. It still shows what you were going for, and it does so much. Now, that said, I think you should be demoing no matter what you build at a hackathon. So even if you only get to step 3 of your car, demoing is excellent. And that's such good advice, Vikram. Thank you so much. And thank you both so much for coming on. Now, before you leave, I did notice something. Vikram, in chat, I think you were asking for a clip of me dancing.
Yes. Yes.
Would you? I'll dance, but you have to have a dance party with me if I'm going to do that. Would you join in on my dance party?
I'm gonna use the petty card and say I have COVID, and then I'm gonna make you dance. So,
All right, well, fine. Thank you both for coming on. I'll have my own dance party. All right. Well, thank you so much to both of you for coming on here. I really appreciate it. If you have any more requests for me or for anybody else, please throw it into chat. Maybe we'll get those requests to come true. That's the magic of the theater. This is kind of like improv, so I'm taking requests. Uh, now, of course, this is more than just a general purpose hackathon here, or sorry, more than just a theater hackathon. And we had a number of general hacks as well. So I'm gonna share a couple general hacks before I go off and make sure that we are all good to show you our top hacks. So give me just a moment to pull up some of the other really cool hacks that I got submitted this weekend. First, I was talking about how much I loved having a Discord hack because it's what we're in. And this is excellent. This is a Discord bot that detects scams, those annoying nitro scams. So let's watch it.
Have you ever received messages like these? If you have been on Discord for a while, I'm sure you have, and you have been warned to stay away from these. These are phishing links that collect users' data and hack their Discord accounts. But what about the newbies? They are just starting out. They often fell victim to these scams and get their Discord accounts hacked. Introducing Detective Discord. Detective Discord is a bot that detects nitro phishing links in Discord messages, deletes them, and warns the user who sends them. Let's try it out by sending a phishing link. So see, it has identified this is a nitro scamming link, and it has increased the warning of this user by 1. So this user is now 2 warnings away from getting banned. Now let's try another link. So now his warnings have been increased by 1, and he's now 1 warning away from getting banned. Now let's see, you want your warnings to be resetted to 0. Only an admin can do that. So let's go into an admin account, and now let's try this. So I also needed to actually pass in the user I wanted to unban. So now the warnings of scammer has been unbanned. So now let's try again with some other links. So the warnings were reset, and now they have restarted from 3. And as you can see, after every message, the message is being deleted by the bot, so that other users couldn't actually use those messages and get scammed. So this user has now been banned, and he has received a personal message that you have been banned from the server for nitro scamming. Please contact the staff if you believe this was a mistake. Now you might be thinking, is that all? Is that all the bot can do? So let me show you what else it can do. So these are all the other functionalities. Let us understand them one by one. So let's say you want to find how the weather of your city is. So just type in weather and give the city name, and it will find the weather for you. Let's say you want to find someone on Wikipedia. You just type in wiki and type the thing you want to search. So MS Dhoni is a cricketer, he's a famous cricketer. So see, the bot finds the user on Wikipedia and returns the result. Now let's say you want to see top 5 news headlines. So you just have to type in news, and these are all the news fetched from News API, BBC News actually. So now let's end this video with a joke. So this was all from my side. Thank you guys.
I was muted that whole time. That's another part of theater. Mime. I can do more miming. I'm trapped behind a computer. I'm not a very good mime. Regardless, let me show you one last hack before I go and make sure we've got all of the top prizes judged out. And for this one, I want to show you this ML on click project. Again, a general hack, and I think one of the things that we love at MLH hackathons is the fact that for so many hackers, you can do some really cool things with the theme, with theater, or you can do something really, really cool outside of it. Hackathons are all about self-exploration, and so that's one of the things that I just absolutely adore. So I'm going to show you this self-exploration and work on machine learning.
Hello everyone, this is Ishan Pandita, the creator of the application speaking, and right now we are having a look at the GitHub repository for the app. We'll just go ahead and click on this badge and open the application itself. The first thing that you see over here will be the home page, the landing page, where newcomers can come and learn what the application is about, how to use it and all. But we'll go ahead and look at the machine learning part, which is the main one over here. You can see that there is a lot going on over here. We have our default data set already loaded over here. You can choose another one as well, or you can go ahead and upload your file, but we're not going to do that right now. I'll just go ahead and select a target variable and click on the brute force visualization over here. You can see that according to the target variable, we have already selected the independent variables as the recommendation system over here suggests. This is like we are telling you which columns we think are the best suited for analysis. You can go ahead and remove all of these. You can choose other columns if you do have them, but that is completely up to you. We also have displayed a data set of the first 10 rows of your data set for you to have a look at and see which kind of columns you want to include in your analysis. Coming to the brute force visualization part, it is actually a very heavy algorithm. So it takes a little bit of time to load, but it gives us a very beautiful comparison of every element that you have chosen. Here we have the algorithm results ready. You can go ahead and look at this. Okay, we see that there are quite a lot of discrete values that we have. So I feel that this is supposed to be some kind of classification problem. I'll go ahead and choose logistic regression for classification. And here you have it, the results. We have performed machine learning, and there is also backward feature elimination because, of course, the p-values have to be adequate. You have your confusion matrix for the result. And the best part is you can go ahead and download your machine learning model as a pickle file over here. And there you have it, machine learning on click.
I'll get it one day, folks. I'll get it one day. That's excellent. And that's going to make so many hacks so much easier. That's awesome. I love seeing all the incredible things that are built over the course of this weekend. Now, like I said, backstage, we've had judges looking over all of your projects, trying to determine which projects are going to win all of the prizes. So I want to go and check in with them now. And in the meantime, I'm going to leave you with some cool beats, and we'll be right back. Cool beats. Manya, it's so good to see you.
It's so good to see you too, Nick. It's been a fun weekend.
Oh, my goodness, hasn't it? I've had so much fun. What's been the best part for you?
The theatrical trivia obviously has been the best part for me. It was so much fun just like hosting it and having so many questions about pop culture and movies and theater. Well, it was a great time. What
That's
about
awesome. Are
you?
you good at that kind of stuff? I'm so bad at pop
I
culture
am
trivia.
horrible at it.
Well, that makes it so much better. I am so excited you're joining us back at the final stream of Thehacktrical. I know you introduced everybody to Thehacktrical in the first place. You originated the role of Thehacktrical presenter, and you're here to close it out as well. We have a ton to share with everybody, right? I'm gonna pull up
Yes.
our closing bit, and we will run through it. Is that okay?
Yes, let's start. I'm so
Let's
excited
do
for
it.
everybody to know the winners.
I'm so excited. I had a sneak peek, and gosh, are they good. So thank you all so much, really, for joining us for this Major League Hacking hackathon. We are an organization built to support you as hackers, giving you opportunities to learn, build, and share all across the world through hackathons, our fellowship, and a ton of other programming like our Global Hack Week that just concluded last week. So we are so thankful that you are here with us. You're part of our community and joining us once again for this closing here at the Thehacktrical. I want to thank you all so much. Hackathons aren't just, the submissions at the end. They're not just the live streams at the beginning. They're not the mini events. They're a collection of people. That's what makes a hackathon special. And so without you, without our hackers, we would not be able to do this. Now, also, there have been mentors online all weekend doing incredible mentorship. And helping our students here, our hackers, build really cool things. And finally, as I said, while I was over here dancing, there were judges behind the scenes looking at every single one of your projects, making sure that we saw all of the incredible work that was built this weekend and helping us figure out who the winner of Thehacktrical is, who gets the golden Oscar or, Frankie. So thank you all so much for taking part in this and being a part of this event. It means the world. We had 170 hackers check in this weekend. I know I got to meet a few of them. Manya, did you get to meet a few as well?
I got to meet a lot of hackers. Hacker Hangout sessions was so lit. It was a lot of fun. You're all amazing.
That's awesome. I loved every hacker hangout I did. I only got to meet a small percentage of you, but it was such a fun weekend with those 170 hackers that created 50 projects over the course of the weekend. That's an incredible amount of projects for the number of hackers we had. And it was so cool to see all the things that you did. Now, we're here. We're at the time that I am sure you have all been waiting for. It is prize time. I am so excited to share with you our prizes. And up first is, actually, I'm sorry. Here are all our prizes. We have a whole host of them. We have the best use of Google Cloud, best domain name, best use of Linode, most creative use of Twilio, best domain name from GoDaddy Registry, best space app from Space Force, and the GitHub AutoCAD drawing contest. Now, let's jump in. So, I'll do this one. The best domain registered with domain.com goes to invader-eraser.tech. Invader Eraser was a super cool hack with a super cool domain. I was so excited to see it win. All right, Manya, you're on it with the next one.
Yes, and the winner for the best use of Google Cloud goes to the Bible, which is a very cool application to help you make sure that you negotiate the best prices from your care providers. So it was a really cool project and great use of Google Cloud there, folks.
Nice. And now we have another best domain, but this is from GoDaddy Registry specifically for our participants in APAC, for which this event really had a ton. So the best domain from GoDaddy Registry was bingetimewith.us. I love a domain that has the TLD, that last part, as part of its sentiment. Binge time with us, heck yes, wonderful hack. Wonderful domain. We got to see it on screen, and I am so glad to see it has a cool domain too.
The most creative use of Twilio goes to Script Hub. Great use of the sync API here. A great tool for people to collaborate on scripts. So great work, team, overall.
And now we have the best use of Linode, a cloud hosting provider that is near and dear to my heart. And the winner of that is Playwright Paladin. We also got a not only see this on stream, but speak to the people who created it. It's a really cool hack, and I'm glad to see that they use Linode.
And now we're talking about space. So the best space app powered by Space Force goes to Invader Eraser. We see this team again, a very cool Python game fighting different space things. So glad to see this project here again.
Very cool. All right, and now here's the best My Octocat winner. This is such a cool Octocat. I've seen a lot of Octocats, and I don't know that I've ever seen coffee art. Have you, Manya?
I have not. Like, I don't remember seeing anything being painted by coffee.
My goodness, it is beautiful, and I love the detail of the rose in the corner. It's a wonderful practical Octocat.
Definitely, the whole play on Romeo and Juliet is amazing.
Incredible. What would a Octocat say? You know, where forth art thou code? No, that's not it. You know, at least I think that if they'd had GitHub, they would have been able to resolve the merge conflict between the between the two families.
That sounds about right.
All right. Well, we're gonna get away from my terrible comedy and into the Thehacktrical prizes. So, of course, we have the first, second, third place prizes, as well as some category prizes to go through here. So let's start in. So, as you saw, first, second, third, standing ovation, and best debut hack. So let's go in. First, the standing ovation hack goes to Theatrical Buddy. There's my standing ovation. I don't know if it caught it well. Congratulations, Theatrical Buddy. And now,
moving on to the best debut hack, which goes to a team with more than 50% beginners and goes to ML on Click. Great work with trying to make machine learning so accessible. So congratulations to the team.
Wow, I can't believe that was a first-time hacker or some first-time hackers on that team. That was such a cool hack.
It definitely is. And it's great to see new hackers build such cool tools.
Truly. All right. Now, for the top 3, let's start with third overall. That goes to Playwright Paladin. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, team. Thank you for joining us on stream. Maybe with some good luck to win. It was not.
2 prizes, that too.
All right.
And the team that wins the second overall, only second to the first prize, is the Roman Box, a beautiful 3D model of the Colosseum, and able to talk to a lot of Roman people. So congratulations, team.
That's so cool. All right. And finally, for first overall, the winner of Theatrical is Theatrical Buddy. That's excellent. Another hack that we had on stream. I'm so excited to see that they won. Congratulations. You will be getting your prizes shortly. Thank you so much. And congratulations to every single winner here at Theatrical this weekend. It was such a blast to have each and every one of you and see all of the incredible things that you built, whether you were an announced winner or a winner in our hearts. You did a great job. And for being a winner on our hearts, you're going to get a Theatrical I Demoed sticker. These are shipped out after the event, and they're sent through your local postal system. So they might take a little while to get to you, but they are an incredible way to show everybody that you participated. And not only did you participate, you went on stage and you showed your hack. So everybody who submitted a project at Theatrical will get one of these stickers coming right to your door. So that brings us to the end of Theatrical, and it's been such a blast. Now, there's more, though. If you love Theatrical, there's more that you can do. First, the fun doesn't end this weekend. We have hackathons every single weekend. If you go to mlh.io/events, you can see hackathons happening through the rest of the year. So please check it out. We have tons and tons of events that you can take part in. And particularly, we just announced last week, we now have Global Hack Week, a series of local or global hackathons taking place all across the world over the course of a week, where you can submit all sorts of incredible projects, prizes, submissions, tons and tons of challenges. It's a lot of fun. Go search it. It's right now at localhackday.mlh.io, but it's moving very quickly to Global Hack Week. I hope you join us for our upcoming events very shortly here. And so that's it. Thank you once again. Manya, any final closing words to say as the curtain draws?
I was just say thank you so much for like staying so on theme, making such great projects, and being a really, really cool bunch of developers out here in our hacker community. So thanks for participating, everybody.
Thank you so much. And Manya, there's one thing, if I can put you on the spot. There were some requests for some dancing. Would you dance off with me here?
I'll try my best.
Excellent.
The music, Nick.
It's starting slow.
Starting slow.
All right, thank you all for joining us. Thank you, Manya, for doing this with me. I will see you all later. Happy hacking. Please join us at another MLH event soon.
Bye, everybody.